Hi everyone. In this tutorial, we will show you how to put your domain up for sale on GoDaddy. Selling a domain is a simple way for us to earn money from a name we no longer need. Let's get started. First, open your browser. Once the browser is open, go to GoDaddy.com. When you reach the main page, log in to your account. After logging in, click your name in the upper right corner. Open the drop-down menu and click your name again. Here, we can see all our products and services, including business accounts and sites. To sell a domain, click Manage All. Do not click Manage. Make sure to click Manage All. In your domain portfolio, you will see your domain name. Find the three dots next to your domain. Click on them and select List for Sale. A new window will appear for your domain. Click Get Started. Now, set your buy now price by entering the amount you want. Mark the domain as for sale. For example, we can use $250. Once everything is set, click Publish Listing. After clicking Publish Listing, your domain will be listed for sale on GoDaddy's auction list. That's how we put a domain up for sale on GoDaddy. Now, potential buyers can view and buy your domain directly.